all the winners out there, this one is for you. Music fail. Well, I was born as a brilliant child. Never knew what the future holds for me. I can't count all the tears that fall, all the struggles, oh, I worked so hard. Never knew that the day would come when I rise from the ghetto and the slum. Now I'm seeing the rising sun, and the glitters and the riches can't done, 'cause I'm a winner. I was born as a star. I don't need no one to tell me who I am. Many try to tear me down. They wanna see me on the ground. And each time they set their trap, they just push me further to the top. 'Cause I'm a winner. I was born as a star. I don't need no one to tell me who I am. I'm a winner. I was born as a star. I don't need no one to tell me who I am. Now let me tell you about my life, long before my kids and wife. How I grew from rags to riches, didn't come by sudden flight. I had to burn the midnight lamp when my friends and my foes them around. Education, my mom used to say, so sad she passed away. I had to push myself through school. One shirt, one pants, one shoes. Now the rest is history. I'm all what a man can be, 'cause I'm a winner. I was born as a star. I don't need no one to tell me who I am. I'm a winner. I was born as a star. I don't need no one to tell me who I am.